Hello, this is Hooked by Happenstance, and I'm Kendra, and it is Sunday night, which of course means that it's time for my Sunday sunrise. Instead of making a whole bunch of goals in January, I have leaned into the weekly goal, a concept where I make goals weekly-ish, share them with you, then I live out that week, and we meet back here and decide whether or not I was successful in meeting those goals. And I take that information and make some new goals for the coming week. So, I don't know what it says that I had to walk all over my house trying to find where my list went because I could not for the life of me find it. In fact, I had given up on the fact that it was anywhere and I was going to just watch last week's video to make sure that I knew all the goals. Which, I mean, maybe that would make one think that the goals were not at the front of my mind all week. But I felt like they were. And I did actually, as I gave in and was pulling up the video, I saw the notepad sticking out from my bookshelf. And I didn't do too bad. So, this is last week's list. As you can see, I enumerated that I wanted to do 4 videos here on the channel. A Sunday Sunrise, a Makes Monday, a video about November's bingo, and a Let Peach Let Pick. I put 2 of those 4 videos up, but those 4 videos have all been filmed at this point in time. We'll talk about that in a minute. The other thing to do was pack and ship my mystery bag club. That happened. In fact, coming up tomorrow, by the time you see this week, Monday through the following Sunday, will be sign-ups for the next mystery bag club here at Hooked by Happenstance. So if you are interested in snow, birds, and sweet words, the mystery club will run for December, January, and February. That will be up on my shop, shop.hookedbyhappenstance.com, about the same time you see this. If it's not up yet, it will be. So if you want to sign up for those, spaces are limited to the fabric I have on hand because I already have some of it. So, gotta get in on that sooner rather than later. You have 1 week to do it. Okay. Next thing was to put an update in my shop. I actually put 2 updates in my shop. I put an update of like leaf print bags, which I really like. And I then put up an update today with some bags that are this batik print, and they are amazing. And I had to take pictures in the snow today because I hadn't really thought when I came up with the new place that I really like taking pictures that got good light and all the things in my yard. What would I do when the weather got bad? Well, what I did is I took a plastic pencil case, a couple of them, and set them down and then levitated my bags on them to take the pictures. I know, that's how the sausage was made. You might not have cared, but I figured out how to work around it even though it was cold. And there's those bags up in the shop. There'll be some more things, probably some jewelry stuff coming up this coming week. I need to get some more findings. I guess it won't be till next week probably that those will come out because I won't be somewhere where I can get the jewelry findings I need until end of the week. So, the next thing was to finish 3 things on my On the Hook list. I only finished 1, but I feel like I've put some work into a couple others. I know I felt like there were 3 things that were almost done. Oh, you know what? I finished 2 because I talked to you and made this list before I filmed my podcast. So yes, I finished 2 things. That makes me feel better. Okay. Because I was like, wow, how did I think I could get 3 things done off the list looking at it now? It's because, okay. So the woolen spirit mint got done, and then you will see my other finished object in my podcast. So, 2 out of 3 ain't bad, right? And finally, I wanted to continue to post on Instagram, which I did. I did not post as heavily, but I kind of felt like nobody was posting as heavily on Instagram this week. Did you have that feeling? It was a lighter Instagram week? I think it was. At least it was in my feed. I don't know about you. Okay, so now let's talk about the week forthcoming. Once again, I suggest that you use the tiny paper big marker strategy. That way you cannot fit too many things on your list. I've been hearing from people that that is working out for them. It certainly is working out for me, and I'm also trying to enumerate the items more specifically rather than doing things like, say, make videos. Well, which videos? Because, say I want to make 25 videos, which I don't. But if I did, that's a really long list to try and get done in a week. But you can make it into like a short thing. So be realistic and write what you really mean when you write your list. So this week's has 4 things on it. The first thing is post a video marathon. There will be, around the time this video comes out, a marathon of videos coming out today. I'm trying something new. This idea came in my brain. I filmed a mess of videos today, and I have edited them, and they're all going to just come out all at once. And you can watch them at your leisure this week, but they're all just going to be there. There might be some more things coming up this week. I don't know. You never know. I might decide that I want to make more videos than I already put up. But I just will know that they're already there. And I'm not going to worry about releasing them or having them scheduled. I'm just going to put them up. And you can choose when to watch them, when it's convenient for you. The next 2 things on here is to finish item number 1 and finish item number 2. Do I know what those items are? No. But I would like to finish 2 things off my On the Hook list. And which 2 things is unimportant to me. I just want to get some finishes done. And the last thing is I really want a bingo this week. I would really, really like to finish out a bingo on my board. So I'm going to have to look at it and strategize and then endeavor to actually make that happen, because that will make me happy. And I also think that once I get one done, I know that they just domino effect and I can just roll through the end of the month and hopefully be as successful as I was last month. We'll see. So I would suggest that you take a moment to think about your week ahead and decide on a few manageable goals, and then think about what you actually want to get done. And then make those things your goals specifically. Don't just say you want to, complete things. What things do you want to complete, or how many do you want to complete? Because I found that helpful right now, since I don't know which items in particular are going to make me, happy this week. But I do know that there's a quantity that will make me happy. So I'm just going to say I want to finish 2 things. What 2 things? I don't care right now. But 2 things. So go ahead and make yourself a list. Down below is a link to my Patreon if you want to get your hands on the free November Let Peach Lit Pick bingo board. There's also a link to my online shop if you'd like to see all the things I've put up. And remember, this is the week to get in on the new Mystery Bag Club for the next 3 months. If you don't sign up now, you gotta wait till March. Alrighty, I will see you all next time. Bye!